Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 12-inch miter saw is probably one of the most versatile tools for any woodworking enthusiast or construction professional. This saw is designed to make precise angled cuts, making it perfect for a wide range of projects, from building furniture to framing houses. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of this powerful tool, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. DEWALT DWS 779 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. This 12-inch miter saw blade features a stainless steel miter detent plate. It comes with 10 positive stops, allowing for quick and easy angle adjustments. This feature ensures precision in every cut. The miter saw is equipped with a precise miter system and a machined base fence support. This combination provides accurate and reliable cuts every time. The design ensures stability and precision. The camlock miter handle with detent override delivers quick and accurate miter angles. This allows for fast adjustments and precise angles. It makes the saw easy to use and highly accurate. It has tall sliding fences that support up to 6 to 3/4-inch base vertically. This feature increases the saw's capacity and versatility. It allows you to handle a wider range of materials. The saw bevels from 0 to 48 degrees left and right. This allows for a wide range of angled cuts. This feature enhances the saw's versatility for various projects. It has a 2-inch x 14-inch dimensional lumber cross-cut capacity at 90 degrees and 2-inch x 10-inch at 45 degrees. This provides ample cutting capacity for common lumber sizes. This makes it suitable for a variety of tasks. The saw features dual horizontal steel rails with an innovative clamping mechanism and linear ball bearings. This design ensures accuracy and durability. This feature enhances the saw's overall performance and longevity. What we like. This saw boasts a precise miter system and dual horizontal steel rails for accuracy. The tall sliding fences provide excellent support for larger materials. If you're working on projects that demand precision and the ability to cut through thick lumber, you should consider this one. What people say. This is a great saw, you get good cuts, it will last a long time. Firstly, the double-bevel sliding compound design of the DWS 779 allows for maximum versatility and precision when cutting angles. It is built to withstand heavy use and is designed to last for years. Number 4. DEWALT DWS 715 12-inch single-bevel miter saw. This is the DEWALT DWS 715 miter saw. It's designed for precision and ease of use. You'll find it's a great addition to any workshop. The stainless steel miter detent plate has 14 positive stops. This feature allows for quick and accurate angle adjustments. This will help you get the perfect cut every time. It features a precise miter system and a machined base fence support. This ensures accurate and consistent cuts. The saw is built to last and provide reliable performance. The tall sliding fence supports up to 5 to 1/2-inch base vertically. This provides excellent material support. It makes it easier to work with larger pieces of wood. It bevels from 0 to 48 degrees to the left and 0 to 3 degrees to the right. This allows for a wide range of cuts. This saw is a versatile tool for various projects. It can cross-cut 2-inch x 8-inch dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2-inch x 6-inch at 45 degrees. This provides ample cutting capacity for common tasks. This saw is a powerful tool for any job. What we like. This saw features 14 positive stops for repeatable accuracy. The machined base fence support ensures stability. If you are looking for a reliable saw for everyday use with consistent results, this is a great choice. What people say. The DEWALT DWS 715 is a powerful and reliable 12-inch miter saw that delivers smooth, accurate cuts every time. The 15-amp motor provides plenty of power, while the single bevel and compound features enhance versatility. Swivel operates smoothly and adjusting angles as well. Number 3. DEWALT DWS 780 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. Introducing the DEWALT DWS 780, a powerful tool designed for precision. This saw features a 1100-watt motor, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. It delivers the power and accuracy you need. The integrated cut line blade positioning system ensures accuracy. It provides adjustment-free cut line indication, improving both visibility and precision. This feature makes your work easier. Equipped with a 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor, it delivers extended power and durability. This motor ensures efficient and reliable performance for various cutting applications. It's built to last. The super-efficient dust collection system captures over 75% of dust. This feature helps to keep your workspace clean and improves visibility. It makes cleanup a breeze. Tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7 to 12 inches nested and base molding up to 6 to 3/4 inches vertically. The fence design allows cuts up to 2 by 14 dimensional lumber at 90 degrees and 2 by 10 at 45 degrees. It offers flexibility for different projects. What we like. This saw has an integrated cut-line blade positioning system for better accuracy. The powerful 15-amp motor ensures extended power and durability. If you like a clean workspace and need a saw that delivers both power and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. The XPS system is a freaking dream to use and such a vast improvement over any of the laser systems I've seen or used. It cuts cleanly as a general-purpose crosscut blade but will obviously not last as long as a higher-quality blade will or cut quite as cleanly as a finer-toothed blade will, but it cut through a set of 2 by 12 pressure-treated for decking stairs very well. It also cut through some clear-grade pine shelving without splintering the edge of the cut. This DEWALT at 16 cut depth handles a much broader range of board widths and is very accurate. Number 2. DEWALT DWS716 XPS 12-inch double-bevel miter saw. This 12-inch miter saw features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops. This design ensures repeatable accuracy and worksite durability. The tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 6 to 5/8 inches nested and base molding up to 6 to 12 inches vertically. This feature makes it versatile for various cutting needs. It has a double bevel design, allowing it to bevel from 0 to 48 degrees to the left and right. It also includes positive stops at common angles for ease of use. The saw offers a miter capacity of 0 to 50 degrees to the left and right. This provides a wide range of angles for different cuts. The cam lock miter handle with detent override delivers quick and accurate miter angles. This feature enhances the efficiency of the cutting process. The integrated cut line, LED work light system provides adjustment-free cut line indication. This improves accuracy and visibility during operation. What we like. This saw features an integrated cut-line LED work light system for enhanced visibility. The double bevel design offers versatility. If you are looking for a saw that combines accuracy with ease of use and the ability to make complex cuts, you should consider this one. What people say. The DEWALT DWS716 XPS delivers flawless cuts with its XPS light and powerful motor. I checked all of the adjustments and they were dead on right out of the box. The XPS cutline system makes it incredibly easy to see my cuts, ensuring precision every time. Number 1. DEWALT DWS716 12-inch double bevel miter saw. This miter saw features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops. This design ensures repeatable accuracy and worksite durability. It's built to last. The tall sliding fences provide excellent support. They can handle crown molding up to 6 to 5/8 inches nested and base molding up to 6 to 12 inches vertically against the fence. This feature enhances the saw's versatility. The double bevel design allows for bevel cuts from 0 to 48 degrees to the left and right. It includes positive stops at common angles. This makes it easy to achieve precise cuts. It offers a miter capacity of 0 to 50 degrees to the left and right. This provides a wide range of cutting angles. It's a great tool for various projects. The cam lock miter handle with detent override delivers quick and accurate miter angles. This feature allows for easy adjustments. It ensures precise and efficient operation. What we like. This saw features a double bevel design for versatile cutting options. The 14 positive stops ensure repeatable accuracy. If you have a need for making angled cuts and working with crown molding, this saw is a great choice. What people say. While I am sure it is a fine saw, the parts quality on the DWS 715 were just a few steps below the quality of the DWS 716. Everything on the DWS 716 had a nicer finish, they opted for metal components instead of plastic in many places, and it also looks to have a lot more options for angle stops, etc. Accurate out of box, very easy to use, comes with a super sharp blade. Like that, it's more compact than the 12 slider and has a carry handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.